Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are taking a look at three different time frames as usual. So taking a look at the weekly time frame here, we are trading at 0.04877. It is incredible seeing Jasmy day after day, but most importantly, the weekly time frame here. We have already seen a lot of overbought signals when it comes to Jasmy. So we are seeing going into today and the previous day, a lot of correction. So Jasmy is pulling back to areas of support and essentially finding that area of support and having that natural pullback in order for Jasmy to continue to go up. So we can see the RSI here at 85%. Again, very, very overbought. It does indicate some pullback coming down to that area of support. But we will take a look at the other time frames. Going into the MACD indicator, we have seen a surge of the histogram itself slowly increasing, not as much, but again, taking a look at the volume here, we can see the weekly volume going into this week has been just blown away here. If we take a look at the volume surging at the very top here, we have close to 23 billion trades in this week. So very, very impressive move here for Jasmy, and you guys are showing it in the comments. So thank you guys so much for that. Going into the daily time frame here, again, Jasmy has experienced a sharp rally, a pullback coming down to that area of support. This here is the recent resistance that we've seen a breakthrough in the last 3 days following after a doji candlestick at 0.0446. The price, depending on how fast the sellers are going to be moving the price itself, may come down and rebound from the recent resistance turned into support. Now we can see some momentum kind of slowly trickling down here. The strength isn't as much, but again, on the daily time frame, we are still in this uptrend. Here we can see the histograms again getting smaller in size and getting lighter in color. So we are going to experience that natural correction that we have already seen in the last couple of days here. And again, in that candlestick, we saw the cross below the RSI and our signal line, which essentially does show us that sell signal itself. Now, when we're taking a look at areas of resistance and support, the resistance on the weekly time frame or the daily time frame is remaining around 70, around the 127 extension that we have is at 0.052. We can see the previous candlestick wick try to retrace to this level. So this is going to be the immediate resistance. And we do need to see a break above or at least a retest of this resistance for Jasmy to continue an uptrend. However, our immediate support here is going to be at the 0.0446. Now going into the immediate short term for 4 hours, we were kind of following the immediate support here because we saw a few of our candlesticks retracing down to the 0.049. But what we are seeing in the last increments of 4 hours is the 20 moving average is being essentially the line of support here. And if we're going to take a look at, additional Fibonacci charts in immediate short term for 4 hours, I'm just going to pull up another extension here. And it does look like the next retracement, if we do not hold at the 20 moving average, would be around 0.04616 as immediate support, because we are seeing a lot of these high low swing candles and a lot of lower low ultimately breaking through this area of support. Now where the current price is very crucial, because if we do close below the 50% of our fib at 0.048, then again we will use the 20 moving average as an area of support, if not the 38% or equivalent to 0.046. Now we do see some heavy selling signals as well with the MACD indicator. These histograms are getting darker, but most importantly, the size of it. So we don't quite know if this is the extension of the selling. We do need to see some considered oversold features or in different indicators. And if we take a look at our RSI indicator itself, we are still not considered as oversold here. We are at 45% of our RSI. So we may see the price kind of trickle down a little bit more depending on how aggressive the sellers are. We haven't seen a lot of increase of the volume in the last increments of the 4 hours itself. And if we take a look at some of these candlesticks here, there's the body of this current 4-hour candlestick, there's a lot of activity at the very bottom. So this only leads me to believe that we are going to be testing a few areas of support rather than retesting some areas of resistance. But who knows who is going to be picking up with Jasmy? We may see a quick turnaround around the 20 moving average as an area of support, but hopefully not closer to the 0.046. But we have seen very, very high volatility when it comes to Jasmy, and the price is just constantly moving really, really fast here. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, supporting, like, and comment as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.